Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you everything that is included in the box of JBL Wind 3S. Now obviously the Bluetooth speaker is the main star of the box. This is how it looks like. It's pretty small and pretty convenient. But besides the speaker, we also have a few papers. We have the quick start guide, which also includes the information about what should be included in the box. So you can open the guide in order to see if you have everything. Now I want to also mention that QSG, which is listed over here, is the guide itself, quick start guide. I was wondering about it by myself, what it is, and for a second I thought that I am missing something, but no, it is this guide. And of course another thing is the safety instruction and warranty card. Besides that, we have the USB cable, which should look like this. One end is the default USB, and the other end is the USB Type-C, and of course it is used in order to charge the Bluetooth speaker. We don't have the adapter or the charger, we only have the cable, so we need to charge through your laptop, PC or something else, or we need to have our own adapter or charger. Now, another thing that we have are the bracket, over here with this like little pad. They are used in order to, for instance, mount your Bluetooth speaker to your bicycle. And we also have the pads. We have non-slip pads. One is big and one is small. And in addition to the bracket, we also have the plastic screw. And that is pretty much it. That is everything that is included in the box of JBL Wind 3S. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!